Okay, so I finally got my second package for my hair extensions, and I got my dye. So I'm finally gonna be able to put them in my head tonight. So I'm just gonna put that on video because why not? My extensions laid out. I have my bowl with it, my gloves, and then I got level 7 demi permanent, and then 10 volume. It looks like an egg. I just washed dry my hair, then put these in. I'm wondering if the tape is still gonna work though, so we'll see. So I had plans with my girls tonight, right? And I just did my makeup, but my hair, I find it a little just volumeless and I don't really like the length. So I had ordered these hair extensions off of TikTok shop a while ago, and I didn't know that they were sitting in my mailbox, but they were. So let's put them in together. So here's the hair. They are 22-inch clip-ins, and I'm going to show you how I put them in. So I'm going to make like a part at the bottom of my head, and then put the rest of my hair up. So you just have some hair at the bottom. This hair is so shiny and it feels so soft. I'm excited. But I'm going to take the 3-piece clip-in and throw it in that part. Now I'm going to make another part in my hair. Put some hair up. I'm going to take another 3-piece and put that in that part. Now I'm going to do another piece. I'm going to take another 3-piece. Honestly, this is so easy. Like, you don't even have to put it in your hair perfectly. Just make sure that the clip is nice and snug on a piece of hair so that it'll hold it in. And as long as it's in there, it'll come out really good. Watch, I'll show you. Okay, now I'm taking my 4th part. So I'm taking another piece, another 3-piece, and putting that higher up. Okay, so this is how it's looking so far. It looks so good already. So now I'm gonna do the side pieces. I'm just gonna go ahead, so my part is gonna be right here in the middle-ish. But then I'm gonna go ahead and go like this. I'm taking one of the 2-piece clips. I'm gonna throw it in there. So this is how it looks all together, but it does come with 2 more pieces. I'll show you. And I'm gonna go ahead and just throw that up here at the top above that 2-piece right here, like that. The hair does come pretty straight already, and my hair was already straight, so I'm pretty much good to go. But it's human hair, so you could go ahead and curl it if you wanted to, or crimp it, or straighten out any pieces that you want. And yeah, so that's how it looks. I'm just gonna get dressed and then I'm gonna be all good to go. But I'm gonna go ahead and link the hair down below so you guys could go check it out. It is probably some of the softest hair that I've gotten, and I have like, I think 5 sets of hair. I have all black hair, I have blonde, I have brown, so yeah. But I think this is my favorite, and the clips have been holding pretty good. So yeah, linked it down below. Go get you some, because I feel like a bad bee with long hair. Bye. Thank you for watching.